You're ridiculous. MFR, yeah. Wait, MFR 16.
Okay,
Right?
part 2 of our folding project. We still have this fraction, 1/2 plus 1/3 equals what? So step 2 is we're going to take our paper, which we've already folded in half, right? Now we opened it back up, and we're going to fold it in equal thirds. So, okay, so we're going to take the paper and we're going to fold it in thirds, and that can be kind of tricky with in this case. So we're going to take about approximately 1/3, as close as we can. We're going to fold it this way, and then we're going to take the other third from the other side here. So fold about 1/3, and then fold it over, and then when the lines meet up, you know that it's lined up correctly, and that might take a little bit of time. You can securely fold your paper, and then you have thirds. And then the next step is we're going to shade 1/3. Well, it might not seem like it's going to be that easy to do because we've already shaded in 1/2. And the rule is that we have to shade where nothing has been shaded yet. We have 1/2 already shaded. So what I've done is I've drawn some equal thirds. As you can see, 2, 6, because now we have 6 pieces. So 2, 6 is equal to 1/3, and we already know that. That's an equivalent fraction, right? So we're going to shade in these 2 smaller pieces, 2, 6, which is equal 1/3. So you can either shade this third, because you haven't drawn the line, or this third. It doesn't really matter. But what we're going to find out is 1/2 plus 1/3 equals 5/6. So in order to add fractions, you have to have all the pieces the same size, which is why we do common denominator, least common denominator. So we have 6 as our common denominator, because 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6. So we're going to do 2 times 3 and 1 times 3. We're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Therefore, we have an equivalent fraction, and we have 3/6. Then we're going to find the equivalent fraction of 1/3 to 6. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, so therefore we're going to multiply 1 times 2, and we get 2/6. And we already said that. 2/6 is equal to 1/3. We're shading in another third here. So we've already shaded in 1/2, and then we're going to shade in 1 equal third, and there we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5/6. Same denominator, write it, and then add the numerators. So when the denominator is the same, you can add the numerators. So there's our answer. 1/2 plus 1/3 is equal to 5/6. All right.